Yo, y'all ready? Hey, yo, Zay, what up? I had to do it, bro. Hey, we up at Toyotas and them Lexus, ooh-wee. We up in them Chevys and them Dodgers, ooh-wee. We up at Toyotas and them Lexus, ooh-wee. We up in them Chevys and them Dodgers, ooh-wee. Now we swerving with Zay. Now we getting litty all day. Now we swerving with Zay. Now we getting litty all day.
What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Zay TRD, aka The Real Deal, and Mr. Ooh-wee is in the building, man. Say, man, headed out to the Houston car meets, mega meet, way an hour away. It's an hour away, man. Way out there in Stafford, so I got a long drive. That's on a work day, so traffic about to be crazy. So I'm about to keep my car in eco mode and cruise there. So I'm gonna turn the camera back on and get to the spot, man. I got a whole hour drive. So hey, it is what it is. It is what it is. So I'll catch y'all when I catch y'all. Ooh, wait, yeah, that thing pressure. Camaro. Yeah, look at this Camaro. Don't mind my car's dirty, man. Just got off work. Look at this Camaro. Ooh. Got that Super Saiyan Blue Vegeta or Goku, one of the boys, man. I don't know. That thing clean though. That thing clean. So the hour trip is done. Look at Mopar Marcus right here. Y'all go tap in, follow my boy. Y'all see Scarlet right there. Bang. Thing looking beautiful. I see Carnage right there, man. Y'all seen him at the last car meet I was at with Mopar Marcus, man. That thing clean. Got my car looking all dirty. Look, don't let the camera fool you. It's dirty. Y'all see it, but it's dirty.
Nah, it's not dirty. It's dusty. We'll say that.
Dirty. Look at this. Ooh.
Oh shit.
My goodness.
Oh shit.
Oh my goodness.
Oh shit. Okay. That would be dirty.
My car is filthy.
Yeah, okay. I got you then. I got you.
Yeah, for sure.
I got you.
But yeah, I'm apparently pretty early, but I mean, it's a Tuesday night, and I have to drive way from the north side to get over here in the traffic, and know how icy the traffic is. But y'all see the Mopars pulling up.
Of course they do. Not a lot of TRDs though.
Oh no, never that. No. I've been seeing a lot when I'm driving away from home, but I never see them at the car meet.
I see cameras, but I don't see camera TRDs though.
I didn't see about 5 of them. I don't know, maybe because in my area I got them buying them or something. Cause every time I go to Chick-fil-A, I always see one. Every time. What's going on? Doing alright? Doing good? But yeah, man. We'll walk around a little bit. Show y'all some of this. But y'all see my man right there, man. I go tap in and follow him, man. I got this nasty 5.0, man. He probably got a Whipple supercharge on this thing or something. I don't know. I got the Jaguar. Got the Jag with the Ferratas on. Ooh, we got the convertible on that thing. Sorry for the bad lights. I ain't got no, it ain't that much light, but you see the drag pack on this Infinity. Thing good at. Ooh, wee. This thing good at.
They have to spool hard.
Yeah, you got the slicks all the way around. See, they got the toad on this bad boy.
Yeah, absolutely.
Shoot, it's yours?
Like I said,
man, this thing look good, man.
Thing
look good. Yes, sir.
Even with the track.
Yes, sir. But y'all see the VIPs? Somebody revving the engine. But y'all see the Chrysler 300, man. Y'all see him? Oh, I see him. All right, what's going on?
You know,
I see everywhere now.
I be out here, man.
Right? I used to be like that. I've been ducked off lately.
I'm trying to get it out there. We got Wham in like less than
that's next month, huh? Yeah. I might make it this year because it's the last year of it, huh?
No, Wham?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, okay.
No way.
I heard rumors that they're gonna start doing it or something. I don't know.
That's something new.
Oh, I don't know. Maybe there's a rumor. Maybe.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I know that. What is it? ultimate event, they're no more.
Gotcha.
The ultimate event is gone. They fucking tried having a show at George R. Brown at the same time as Wham last year. Nobody showed up to that event. Everybody was over there in Wham.
Dang.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, it's Wham. It's big.
It's huge. I mean, you got 3,500 plus cars, 1,500 of them being judged.
Right.
That's a lot of cars.
Right.
A lot.
For sure. But yeah, this thing looking good.
Yes, sir.
I like that. How the lights doing it.
Yeah,
Got that illusion.
lights on too. Everything's going on in there.
Let me check. Yeah. Hold on. Y'all see them right here. Say tap in. Y'all see it. Oh, that thing clean. Yeah, that thing clean. See them changing colors. He got the Ferradas on, man. This thing clean. This thing clean. Y'all see that thing. Y'all see this thing, man. Sheesh. Y'all see him, man. Y'all see him. This thing nasty. This thing nasty. Too nasty. And y'all see the ModFx. Another one, man. Scat Pack. These lights so bright, it's blinding me, man. I need some sunglasses on.
It's your boy Zay TRD. You know what I'm saying? Hey, like, share, comment, subscribe, man. Y'all know what it is, man. You know I got my Toyota Camry back there with the Yoda bees. I'm giving all Yoda bees. Hey, April 8th. April 8th. I'm going to go ahead and tell y'all right now, you know, we're going back to Dallas again. So, you know, hey, I ain't going to say nothing. I ain't going to talk about it, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, it is what it is.
It is what it is, man. Hey, man, y'all go subscribe to Baktuthamoney, man. That's
I know what it is. You know, money gang shit.
Yeah, I see that right there. You know? New merch too, huh?
Nah, not yet, bro. Hey, I got some summer shit that's about to,
Y'all go follow such Instagram out, bro.
My IG, Texas Carnage 392. Follow me. You see a lot of funny stuff. You see the build, see the journey and stuff like that. This car was down for 8 months.
8 months.
This car was down for 8 months.
I know that was painful.
I was coming to ModFx every day. And it's like,
I was
bro,
just up in with my head down, man.
Like, I can't wait till I get my car back. I can't wait.
I know the feeling.
Yeah, man.
I had lost mine for only a week and I was feeling like that.
But you was in the what, Tundra, right?
No, I was in a freaking what was that?
Truck, though.
I was in a freaking off-road vehicle. I don't even know. The big.
No, bro, it was a Tundra, bro. You was in the Tundra.
No, it was it wasn't a RAV4. What's that thing?
No, you was in the Tundra, bro. When your car had the ball joints, you had the Tundra, bro. You was in the Tundra. I know. I watched the videos, bro.
I seen this dog talking about 4x4. What is this? What is this? All-wheel drive. I don't know what this means. Got the Honda with the lights on that thing.
And I want to buy one of those and build one, bro.
Oh, yeah.
That's real easy.
Yeah.
All right, with the Avalon.
So the clutch in that thing.
Right. He just reeled that mug and dropped the clutch.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I got that drum.
Let me check this Lambo out, though. Y'all see this Lambo looking like Need for Speed or something? Sheesh. Y'all see that thing. Y'all see that thing. This thing nasty, dog. This thing real nasty. Matte black. You got the McLaren 720. Y'all see them Houston Car Beats. Y'all go tap in, subscribe to YouTube, go follow me on Instagram, man. Houston Car Beats, man. Y'all go tap in and follow, man. You see they got the police out, man. You see them, man. But y'all see the McLaren, though. And the Lamborghini. Nasty. Nasty. Then y'all see y'all got the trucks out here, man. This is probably a C10.
Inside the car.
Or is it? I don't know.
Oh, yeah, that's beautiful.
It's probably a C10. I think it's a C10. That thing nasty. Uh-oh.
How much you worth? About 5?
So I went to the website.
Yeah, that Lambo clean. That Lambo clean. Yeah, y'all see the trucks. Y'all see the Ford. Got Baktuthamoney right here, man. Y'all see my boy, man. Got the green. Got that green on, man. I think it took us the IG off. I don't see it. Oh, there you go. Y'all see it. Baktuthamoney. Y'all see it, man. HP Tuners got this nasty Mustang GT. That thing crazy. Y'all see him. H-Town Promotions. He running something, man. Lambo gone.
I like how.
Chill, man. Y'all see that? Y'all see him though. This Mustang nasty. Got my boy Deadpool right here, man. Ruthless King. Y'all see him. Y'all see him. I gotta tap in and, you know, follow the good old IG, man. Follow the good old IG. Y'all see him, man. Got the airbags, got the big old exhaust in the back, man. Rally edition. My boy did his thing. Got the Honda, man. Y'all see the Flow Series on that thing? Y'all see the Flow Series? Yes, sir. All right, they had a quiz earlier talking about C7 or C8. I still go for the C8 over the C7. I'm just saying, that C8, nasty. Both of them nasty though. Y'all see it? Nasty. Nasty. See, I got the 370Zs coming out, man. You got some more parts down there, and they got a whole lot more cars back there too, man. I have to break this video up or something. Yeah, man, so I'm in the VIP section, man. Y'all go type in and follow my boy Houston Car Meets, man. Hosting some good meets. Y'all know how we do it, man. Yeah, man, y'all see the Ford F-150. I thought about streaming this, but I ain't gonna stream it, man. I'm about to go around and walk around, man. About to go around and walk around. Y'all see the Ram with the Viper wheels on that thing? That thing nasty. You got the Viper wheels like the SRT10, man. I like that. That thing sound good. What's going on? Doing good, bro? Doing all right? Yeah, I'm doing good, doing good. Yes, sir. All right. Yes, sir. Y'all see him. Yes, sir. I see him. Y'all see them boys, man. Y'all see him, man. They got some type of club over here too. I thought it was a food place at first. They got people all over here and the security. Turn this part off. But yeah, you see the Camaros though. Y'all see them. Y'all know who these is right here, man. I say y'all know who these is. Y'all see them. That's a special edition right here. Misfit Mafia. Y'all see it. Still went free. Y'all see him. Sheesh. That thing nasty. I ain't gonna lie, that thing nasty. Then you got Mystic right here with the black hood wrap, man. Y'all see him. Y'all see him. Mystic Serenity. Y'all see it, man. Still, this thing hit hard, man. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not sure what this one is, but y'all see, I don't see no Instagram. Y'all see it though. Got the nasty Daytona. Mud clean, bro. You're welcome, you're welcome. You got an Instagram or something?
I really be, man. I'm fast. I be rapping though.
Oh, you be rapping? All right, that's a bit. Hey, man, y'all go follow him, man.
Yeah.
Go support him.
Hold on, let me show you though. This is what we build though. This a toy, but this ain't. That's the toy though. You know, we big rooted and everything. Yeah. First octane red Monte Carlo in the world.
That mud clean. I ain't gonna lie.
You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you that motherfucker with the wheels on it. Hold on.
That thing clean.
Yeah. Watch this though. Hold on. Let me find it. Let me show you something. Yeah, we from Louisiana though, bro. We do these. This my first. These really my first. That's it right there.
Yeah, that's nasty.
So we gotta squat it. But LS, it's LS, everything that frame off build.
Yeah.
Carlos, QA1, everything, man. It's 120 in this car.
Sheesh. So you drove from
Nah, I stay here.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah, I stay here.
But I'm about to say that's a long drive.
Yeah, nah, hell nah. Hell nah. Nah, we just migrated out here. I like it out here, so.
Yeah, it's pretty chill.
Like, I ain't going nowhere. I love this shit.
Yeah, for sure. For sure.
Man, I appreciate you, man.
Oh, yeah, no problem.
This is actually my first motorcar build. This is my third one.
Yeah.
But, yeah, everybody like it. I was gonna rap it, but they like, leave it alone, man.
Yeah. For sure. For sure. That's a McLaren going crazy. He's shooting flames.
Oh, that what that is?
Yeah. You about to shoot some flames. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Okay. They got a whole rap. Oh my goodness, my ears. Look, they better quit. They better quit. Y'all see all of them down there though. Oh man. They wildin', man. They wildin'. Y'all see some more over here, man. What is this? What do you got over here? Let me see. What's going on, y'all? I bet he got a big turbo on this thing. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Bet you out there, security come by. Shit, man. Y'all see them all, man. Y'all see them out here, man. They all rolling together, man. Y'all see them? Y'all see him. Y'all see the wide body scat? Y'all see him? Ooh, that thing nasty. Got the smoke show. Got the Hemi. Y'all see him. Y'all see him. Y'all see that? McLaren he about to peel off, watch. He about to peel off. That thing nasty. That thing nasty.
You didn't even give me a chance to say that. You just looked at me, get on my memory, nigga. Like that, can I say
something? That thing sounds so nasty.
I tried to.
Y'all see that Superman? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see that thing?
Nah, but you don't watch the good stuff.
That thing sounds.
Don't move!
Yeah, that's wild. Wild. Wow.
Hey, bro. You can just angle there.
I'm like, look.
This HD right here.
This right HD.
Look at that big old monster truck, man. That thing clean though. That thing clean. That thing clean. Yeah, that thing nasty. Yeah, turn to a whole crash derby. Got the cops.
I didn't come for that shit. No, that's Nah, bro.
He might well just.
You gotta park that.
He may as well do like a school bus, like a school bus. School bus right there.
School bus ain't got shit on that. That is a vehicle. That ain't a truck. That is a vehicle.
Oh, that mud nasty. Track hawk, boy. Track hawk. That track hawk.
I don't know why they do. Why the fuck you got these so bad for again?
Because it identifies as. You don't know what year it is. It identifies as. How dare you disrespect? Yeah, you will not do that in this society. You trying to get canceled, my boy?
Right? Paint messed up and everything. Q50 nasty. That thing nasty.
You know you don't have to park in the line, right? I'm just, oh, okay. Saying, you know, don't hit the Rolls Royce you park next to. That's all I'm saying. My car identifies as a Rolls Royce.
Got the bag. That thing a low. Ain't no mother, I'm gonna scrape it. That thing's scraping. So yeah, y'all headed back home, man. Crazy they had a wreck at the car meet. It was nothing car meet related, honestly. It was somebody who was leaving that sports bar, somebody trying to get into the sports bar, and that man cut the wheel too close. But crazy. So I got work in the morning. That's why I'm leaving early. You see, I don't got an hour drive home now. It's like 35 minutes, ain't too bad. So we gon' see, man. So I'm gonna catch y'all next video, man. I got more videos to edit, man. As always, I just ain't made time to edit. So when I drop them, I drop them. But you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to go live for y'all pretty soon, man. Pretty soon, man. So anyway, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next video, man. Mr. Ooh, is out the building.